Looking for the best laptop for programming? In this video, I'm going to review a few of the top laptops for programmers and show you which ones are best for your budget, need, and lifestyle. No more wasting time on hours of research. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. Professionals have long favored Apple's machines, which remains true with the MacBook Pro 16. It ticks every box required for high-end programming. Apple's 10-core M1 Pro processor is a powerhouse. Combine that with the 32 GB of memory and the 16-core graphics chip and you've got a machine that will handle any programming situation, from complex coding and compiling to running virtual machines. The battery easily lasts a full day, too. The Liquid Retina XDR is sensational. Its 3456 by 2234 native resolution and 1000 nit brightness level mean everything looks gorgeous, and you've got the width and on-screen space to spread work around. The keyboard is crisp and comfortable, so it's well suited for all-day typing, and this machine has an SD card slot, 3 Thunderbolt ports, and MagSafe power connectivity. It looks superb, and it's got rock-solid build quality. The downsides are minimal. Some people won't like the camera notch, and the MacBook is a little heavier than many other productivity portables. There's no HDMI 2.1. It's expensive, too. The model we reviewed costs $2,899. Pricing starts at $2,499, and the price can quickly soar beyond $3,000. This is the sort of laptop that will last for years, though, and it's an unbeatable programming machine. Number 2. Dell XPS 15, 9510. Dell's XPS machines are the firm's answer to Apple's MacBook Pro, so it's no surprise that the Dell XPS 15 is impressive. It looks fantastic, with a robust aluminum body, and its keyboard is comfortable and fast, ideal for long days of typing. On the inside, the XPS is available with Intel Core i7 and Core i9 processors. Both are excellent. The Core i7 chip can easily tackle most mainstream programming situations, while the Core i9 part is well suited to running virtual machines and emulated environments too. It's easy enough to upgrade this machine with more memory and storage, and you even get a modest NVIDIA GPU for extra graphical grunt in content creation tools. And while the Dell XPS 15 is not cheap, prices start at $2,299 for a notebook with a high-resolution screen, so it's more affordable than a MacBook. The XPS is available with 3 screens, 2 IPS models and 1 OLED panel. For programming, we'd recommend the higher resolution IPS or OLED displays, which are both excellent. They've got 16:10 aspect ratios, which deliver extra vertical space, and the slightly wayward color accuracy doesn't impact on programming. Elsewhere, the XPS 15 has enough battery life to make it through your working day. And while it does have a couple of Thunderbolt ports and an SD card slot, there's no HDMI output and no full-size USB connectivity. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is a great laptop for programming if you want a stylish, lightweight device with great battery life and a touchscreen. The 15-inch version is our preferred choice, and there are lots to like. The 3:2 display has a high resolution, impressive quality, and top-notch compatibility with Microsoft's excellent Surface Pen. The soft keyboard is comfortable, and the exterior is robust enough to handle life on the road. The Surface's body is only 14.7 mm thick and it only weighs 1.54 kilograms, so it's lighter than most 15-inch productivity laptops, and its battery life stretches beyond 12 hours. The only downside is a lack of ports. On the inside, the 15-inch model comes with AMD Ryzen 7 and Intel Core i7 processors. They're low-power chips, but they can still handle mainstream processing. The AMD chip is better than the Intel part, so stick with that, and bear in mind that there are no dedicated graphics. Prices start at a reasonable $899 for the 13.5-inch base model, though we'd recommend you go for the 15-inch AMD Ryzen 7 configuration, which will set you back a bit more at $1,699/$1,649, so the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is cheaper than its beefier rivals. It's great if you need programming power away from the house. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.